territory and transportation, because the areas that work in the type and in the quality of protein good service. Question 2. What contribution does Excel bring to your personal life? Because it's a tool and the uncast bounds automated counters to support the work. Question 3. Why don't you want to work routines shifts anymore? Because I want to spend more than one man doctors. Question 4. Would you live in Santa Marta? Of course. Even have job stability and would you do and would not to want it. 5 question. With which country would you like to live? I would like to live in Amsterdam. Thank you.